Cleaning the DPF without fixing the cause of the DPF problem is like DIY Dave here. He has a flood in his kitchen. He's been here mopping the kitchen floor to try and mop up the flood for the last 3 hours. So he's now starting to get in a panic, and he has made a phone call to a local specialist, Super Critch from AC Autotech. Critch arrives on the scene. Super Critch takes one look at the flood and realises that it is not the cause of the problem, that DIY Dave is mopping up the symptom. So off he goes upstairs to investigate. Here you go, he's now got to the root cause of the problem because Soapy Steve is having a good time in the bath and has forgot to turn the tap off. So Super Critch shouts at Soapy Steve. Soapy Steve has now turned the tap off. So Super Critch can now go down and treat the symptom. He swiftly mops up the floor and now the flood has gone. So the moral of the story is, do not treat the symptom, but make sure you fix the cause first.